Are you sick of looking at your account balance and seeing a big fat zero? Now you need some extra money to take care of your family, put food on the table, pay the bills, and sometimes have fun, but nothing seems to work. You don't know where to start because everything seems too hard. Now do you feel the same way? Let's turn everything around in the video for today. I don't want you to see that big fat zero. Instead, I want to help you make your first $50, $100, or even $500 online, even if you've never done it before. This is a tried and true plan that works every time because most of the work has already been done by other people. This is as easy as it gets. No money needs to be spent. This is completely free, and it can be used anywhere in the world. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channels and press the notification bell so you know when I post new videos about making money every day. Let's watch the video. Now, I'm going to talk about Fiverr affiliates in today's video. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this website, which is called Fiverr. And don't worry, we're not going to start working for ourselves. We're not going to sell anything on Fiverr, but instead, I want to show you something special on this video that no one else is talking about: how to become a Fiverr affiliate. So in this case, you don't have to sell anything or do any services. Instead, we're going to be smart and earn daily commission on the Fiverr platform. You can literally promote Fiverr, promote these websites, and get people to sign up for different services. And you can earn a very big fat commission. So if we do that, we don't need any experience. We don't have to sell anything to anyone, and we can earn commissions every day by just promoting the Fiverr platform. Don't worry, this is going to be a very simple tutorial that even beginners can follow. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus that will do all of the work for you. Now let me answer your biggest question. How much money can you really make from this website? We're going to find out more about that. Plan your commissions and figure out how much money you can really make. Here you can see Fiverr commission plans, of which there are basically two types: the Fiverr CPA, which ranges from $15 to $150, and the Fiverr Hybrid, which explains in detail how each strategy works. Now first, we'll check out the Fiverr CPA commission, where we can make anywhere from $15 to $150. But how can we tell if we can make $50 or $150? Because that will depend on the category and services you are selling. Now they're going to list all the services right here. Now let's say you want to earn $150 in commission from a single payment. You can promote the Fiverr Pro services and get paid. So I'm going to show you some examples of Fiverr Pro services that you can tell other people about right now. Say for instance that some of the Pro logo design services cost $800, $1,000, or $3,000, and Russia $100. Most of the time, the professional services on Fiverr cost a few hundred or even a few $1,000s, and that's why they'll pay you a lot of commission, over $150, if you actually get someone to buy something through your link. The best part is that it doesn't matter if your customer buys $100 worth of services or $3,000 worth of services. You can still make $150 a month. Now, if you keep watching this video, I'll show you a few ways to specifically target people and sell them things or refer them to a lot of Fiverr Pro services where we can make $150 every time. Now, let's say that even if I refer you to other services and you get a $50 commission, you can still refer other people to the whiteboard and animated explainers. Now, when I click on this link, I can see here that these are all the services they can tell other people about to earn a flat commission of $50. Say, when you tell someone about the service and they buy it for, say, $15, you can still make $50, which is crazy. No matter what kind of service they buy, it doesn't matter. Let's say if they just buy a $5 service, just $5, you can still earn $50, which is an incredible commission plan. So these are all the different categories you can promote and get a flat $50 commission. The next section will show you how to write it to show different categories. For example, web design and writing your mobile design, e-commerce, and development are all categorical earth $40 commission, and you can refer them to a local maker, web programming, website content, proofreading, and so on for $30 commission right there. This is where you can earn $30 in commission. And from that, you can usually make $25 in commission by writing articles, doing voiceovers, or working as a virtual assistant. You can send them to all of these categories and get $25. For the other categories, you can get $15. Now in this video, I'll show you the quickest and smartest way to make money with this Fiverr affiliate program and specifically aim for a $150 commission over and over again. I want you to think about this. If you can just prefer one person who makes one sale a day, you can make $150 a day, which is crazy because it's $4,500 a month. You can just send people to this pro services on Fiverr Savers, and if both the customer and the pro service pay $105, you'll get $150 in commission. So being a freelancer is a much better way to make money on Fiverr. You need a lot of skill. In fact, you have to wait until people buy what you're selling. You have to spend a lot of time, which is bad, so we're not going to do that. Instead, we'll just use the Fiverr affiliate program to earn commission. Now, this is the first way to get commission. Now, Fiverr Hybrid is the second way. Instead of giving you a very high commission all at once, they can just give you $10, right? They'll pay you $10 no matter what service you recommend, and then they'll split the 10% with you and the money coming in for the rest of the year. Now, I'll give you an example. Let's say you send $300 worth of people to this service. Let's say your client bought your service, but you only got paid $10, but you can actually get 10% of all the money they spend on the rest of the euro for a year. So even though you can only earn $10, you can make that money tomorrow, next week, next month, or even the month after that, depending on how much money people spend on Fiverr. Let's say they buy this service and then go buy other professional services. For instance, if you sell a $1,000 package right on Fiverr, you can still earn 10% of everything they spend on commission. So that's everything you need to know about how the commission works. But for me, I would rather use the Fiverr CPA method, where I can get the one-time commission right away. This way, I can get paid faster, and we can focus on the Fiverr Pro services. We can make $150 over and over again. So that's how the commission plan works and how much money you can make from it. Now, if you don't want to join their Fiverr affiliate, you can sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program by clicking this button on top that says Join Now. You can just put in your first name, last name, and email address. For your username, you can choose any name you want. For your password, you can choose any password you want. So here's where you'll choose what kind of account you want. If you're a staff member, you can just choose private. Under the country section, you can choose any country you want, since they accept people from all over the world. And from there, you can choose your languages. And if you have one, your Skype number, right? You don't have to do that. To sign up, just click the next button. In fact, it's pretty easy and simple. So once again, in this video, I'll show you 3 free ways to drive traffic to your Fiverr Pro services. So let's take a look at the Fiverr Pro services right now. So these are all examples of services for which you can refer people and get a $150 commission every time. So based on my own experience, I think it's much easier for you to focus on this category, which is graphic and design, because it's much easier to refer a sale in this category and there's just so much demand for it. I'll show you 3 ways to do it. Now, when you go to the graphic and design section, let's say you want to tell people about logo design. When I click on this category, it takes me to this page where I can see that there are different packages for $700, $900, $200, and all of these other amounts. You can earn the same amount of commission whether you sell expensive packages or cheap ones, so it's much better for us to send them to packages that cost much less. Say you have $300 to design a catchy logo for your business. So if you want to see the example, you can click on this link. So you can see right there that the seller's service is a level 1 seller and that a lot of people love it. This is where you can send your potential customers to this service. And if they buy this basic package for $350, you can get a $150 commission. Now, the best way to get a lot of people to tell their friends about this service is to go to reddit.com. Now, Reddit is kind of like a forum that anyone can join for free. And a lot of people use this forum to ask questions. Say, how do I actually design my website? How do I look for a logo? Where can I buy a logo? How do I look for a web designer? So you can search for the exact question on the Reddit search bar, which looks like this one right here. Where would you buy a logo? Where to buy a logo? You can search for this keyword and see if other people on the Reddit forum have asked the same question. So let's use this one as an example. It's hard to buy a logo. Does anyone know how to get that or where to get it? Look at this. That's the bio writer. Right away, he's asking people, where can I buy the logo? Give me some recommendation. When that happens, you and I can show them the link and send them straight to these Fiverr services, which will sell the services for them. There is no work for you to do. Just put a simple answer to that question on Reddit, and you can do it again. If just one person buys one service from you every day, you can make $150. So this is another example of, does anybody know where to buy an Arch logo sticker for my super key? Right now, does anyone know where I could buy a golf logo hat? This one can actually be sold right here. I will design a Photoshop website or website PSD. So it's kind of like designing a website, a graphic, or a mobile. You can just go back to Reddit and search for graphic design to find out where to hire graphic design. So when this is over, watch to see if people are actually hiring full-time graphic designers and digital marketers. Where can I find a graphic designer who will do work for me? Is there a site or service where you can hire a graphic designer for a reasonable price to do a single design? Look at all these people who want to buy right now. They want to buy something from someone. You can just reply to that, send them a comment, and send them to different services, like this logo design service or this website design service. All you have to do is sign up for a free Reddit account and reply to that. When they buy a basic plan, you can easily earn $150 in flat commission right away, which I don't see many people talking about, and this is simply a great chance for you guys to do it for free. Or another free way that you can use is to go to a forum. For example, graphicdesignforum.com, and this go down below. You can see here there are a lot of different topics that people discussing about different designs, different graphic design, and that's where a lot of buyers will come into here and looking for hiring different graphic designers, and that's where we can get a lot of sales as well. So let's say that if I click on this category called motion graphics, it will take me to this forum where a lot of people are talking. A lot of people want to hire different designers, and that's where you can send them to the Fiverr Pro services and make $150. Now, if you want a much easier way to make quick money online, well, thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed and found value while watching it. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos like this. See you in the following video.